What is ozone? Ozone is the new revolutionary technology available to commercial laundries in the UK. Oxygen and electricity are used to create ozone. Ozone is then dissolved into water and applied to the wash wheel in place of the chemicals. Ozone is an excellent cleaning agent and an effective killer of germs. In wash water, ozone is 3,000 times faster at killing bacteria than chlorine, and it leaves no chemicals behind. With our ozone technology, you can save up to 80% on your chemical bill. With Laundry Efficiency's ozone technology, you don't need hot water to activate chemicals. You can achieve superior results with cold water, thus reducing your bill. 70% of your gas and energy bill is to heat the water in your washer. The Laundry Efficiency Ozone System is a patented technology developed by NASA, and it can turn any commercial laundry into an ozone laundry. Our tailored solutions use quality equipment and components that utilize only the best available technology in the laundry industry. By choosing Laundry Efficiency, you can rest assured that you're choosing quality for years to come.